Hi guys, this is today's daily lead code problem. Um, date is 17/8/23 and the question is 0, 1 matrix given n cross m binary matrix, return the distance of nearest 0 from each cell. Oh man, the distance between the two adjacent cells is 1. Yeah. So why I'm saying, because just yesterday we did the question for same thing when we have to calculate the nearest distance from one cell. So again the approach would be same, multi-source BFS from all the zeros, push all the zeros into this, okay, queue, make it visited, and value, or don't use visited, just value array is fine. If there is value is not equal to -1, it means the thing is not visited. As soon as you visited, the value will become something, so value is not needed. Just keep track of your value. Now value is 0, so it means like they are visited. So if value is not equal to minus is equal to minus, means they are not visited, and that's what you want. To push next set of elements, you just need to check that they satisfy the boundary and they are value is equal to still -1. Then you push into queue, you make value based on the previous value of basically x and y. So this is just a multi-source BFS from zeros, and then you go to for each element you see all the directions, see all the neighbors. Okay, just same question that we did yesterday, I think. Yeah. So let's move to GFG. Next smallest palindrome. Next smallest number. Rather. What about the next smallest palindrome? You are given a number in form of array containing n digits 1 to 9. Your task is to find next smallest palindrome strictly larger than given number. So yeah, you can find out the next permutation for a given thing, but you have to basically find the next smallest palindrome. So that is again the same thing. Keep on doing something like permutations, because number will be same. You just have to generate the palindrome. Okay, think about this. Yeah, so palindrome is something when first digit is equal to last digit, right? So at last place you have to make 9, then 4, then 1, then 8 is already fine, 7 is already fine, 9 is already fine. But if you do that, if you make last 3 digit equal to 149, the number will become smaller. But you have to find a number which is strictly greater than this number. So what can be done, key, okay, even if you want like 149, because that is the way, if you want to keep the 3 digits intact, and that's what we want, to keep the maximum prefix intact, so that if we keep it like that, so that is the smallest number, nearest number, right? So we will shift 8. Okay, okay, what if we don't even shift 8? So let it be we don't even shift 8, then we need to shift 7. Okay, what if we don't even shift 7? There is no way then, because this 9 can be, let's say, you can make it, what you can make it, you cannot increase it to something, right? 9 is again the maximum digit. You can make it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. In any other case, number is going to decrease only. So just increase the 7 to 8 and this 7 to 8, and for that you can decrease this 9 to 0. So that's what you need to do. uh, Find which number should I increase by 1 unit. Okay, like 2 3, I want to make 2 3 over here, but by making, sorry, 3 2, the number will decrease, so I have to increase this by 6. Okay, so basically these all numbers I will make it same, exactly same. If this current number is 7, if that number is already greater than that, then it is fine. If that is not greater than that, I will increase these two numbers, 7 7. But what if it is also 9 9? So yeah, that's what you need to keep track. Key starting from the middle, what is the 9 9 part? Okay, the 9 9 part, as soon as the 9 9 part ends, then you have to, but what if all the numbers are 9 9 9 9 9? Then just 2 units up there would be a number like 1 and all triple zeros. Let's say I'm talking about 999 19, huh? And then 10001 is the next permutation for that. So that's what you need to do. Key just starting from the middle 9 till how much index that I keep on finding in 9. Like basically I shift left also, right also. That's what you need to do. Okay, because that cannot be incremented, right? So therefore, if size equal to false, the answer will push back, bool flag, second the condition is palindrome, not the ordinate palindrome. Yeah, t is equal to true is not equal to 9, t is equal to false. If t, then do this. अगर t still true है, कोई भी 9 तुम्हें नहीं मिला, तो तुम सीधा ये कर दोगे, ठीक है? Push back 1 and answer or push back 0 and then push back 1. अच्छा,
तो उसने समोसे लेने गया तो जेब में होंगे पैसे
flag
काले पजामे में तो
condition
नहीं है
if there is palindrome.
अरे
Okay, so in this, what can be done? Ki instead of just keeping track of 9, first of all, we process the original given array. If, like in this case, this is 3 to 2, right? This part is common. This part is already palindrome. If 3 to 2 was something like, abhi currently it is lesser than or greater than 149, right? And we want 149 to at this place. So we will decrement it. That is not a good thing, right? We have to find the number which is just greater than the number. So for that reason we did this, like we make this 7 to 8. Okay. So have a check for this whether this 3 to 2 is actually greater or smaller first. How can we do that? If a of I is greater than a of n minus 1 minus I.
ठूस ठूस के रखने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई समझ आ भाई रसोई में रख छोटी चीज रखनी है वहां मत रख के ठूस ठूस के वहां
Bool.
पे
How do you check that? If it is greater, then we do something. If it is smaller, then we do something. If it is equal, then we don't do anything, right? Okay. Eventually, I want number to be smaller. Okay. If it is already like 0 and does not change, then means that it is equal, and still that is not good for us. Only if it equal to 1 is good for us. कितने में जाएगा बता दे। खीरे तो नहीं रखे। देख मैंने इसकी सब्जी के नीचे सब हो गया फ्रिज में ही है। So you have to return vector. चलो एक अच्छी बात है. So भाई what I mean is that कि ये पार्ट तो फिक्स रहता है, ठीक है। अभी if n is equal to odd, which is n plus 1 by 2, I think. Even होगा तो ये होगा। हम्म, ये तब की बात है जब छोटा है। जब बड़ा है तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा। नहीं, ये तब की बात है जब, हाँ, आगे वाला पार्ट छोटा है। अगर आगे वाला पार्ट बड़ा है तो आगे वाले पार्ट को छोटा करना पड़ेगा, छोटा नहीं करना पड़ेगा। पीछे वाले पार्ट को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, नंबर को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। ओके। Okay, so now one thing I did, like, instead of doing all this thing, we could have directly just said that n minus 1 minus I is equal to a 5. So which means, well, at one time we are noting like whether you are the 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 second half part is greater or smaller than the first half, or then we are making it. If it is smaller, then we can just make it equal to the first half, right? So we are already making it to first half and then return. But what if it is not smaller? So one thing which we needed to do is that, look, we focus on first half part again, and then I try to increment it by 1 unit. Okay. Okay. Will that be fine? Yes, that will obviously be fine because this number will be greater, and then I repeat that, right? Also, so this number will always be greater than my current number. What I mean is that this number was there. You can test it for any of the case. So let's say this over here I pasted. Taking the first half part. This is the first half part. I'll increment this by 1, which means I'll make this 8. Now it automatically becomes greater than the second half part because, yeah, man, like second half part, if it was, let's say, something like 9, still the number was 7, right? So this number, what do you think? Is this number greater? Or what I will make iske baad is that I will make it 8. I'll make this is already 8. This I had to make 8. I'm making this all equal to the first part, right? 9, sorry, 8, 8, and 1, 4. Tell me which number is greater. Obviously, this number is greater because I don't even need to see the second half to make it like, yeah, to make the number large. If I just like obviously I do think in it this that I made 9 equal to 8, that is one thing, but you will feel that this become decreasing. No, like I if the smaller bit I increase even the smaller bit by 1 unit, it is automatically going to increase. So if I increment any digit in my left half part by even 1 unit, the number is short will be greater than the given number. Okay, so this is the not assumption, but you can see obviously because left part comes first, so this number digit comes first. So if I increment this digit, everything other than this does not matter on the right part of this because this incremented, this part was same, so overall the number got increased. Or to match this part, left part, I will write my right part in a way that matches the left part. Only that needs to be done then. So abhi now I got it key. We have to increment. Also I already returned, so even if you write else or not, that doesn't make sense more. So for int I is equal to, I'll how to increment. Look, this is how you will increment greater than equal to 0 and carry equal to 1. What you need to do is that, okay, you take this number whatever it is. It would be, let's say, yeah, for case of length 4 it will be just 1. Okay, so take this number and a of I, right? Now what you need to do, x plus plus. Now a of I will become modulo. It depends on a of I. C. अगर x is greater than 10, then it will become 1 or even equal to, else it will become 0. I is a number and then C is also a number. So let's say if it was 9, left part was 9, right? Then I made it 0 and pushed carry equal to 1. Case of 5. So in case of this, we are working on this currently 9. Okay, we made 9 equal to 10. So now C is equal to become whatever it want to be. Now इसके बाद हो सकता है कि तुम्हारा पूरा हो जाए, हो सकता है कि if C is equal to 1. C is still 1, मतलब सारे 0 0 0 हो गए हैं. ठीक है. और वेक्टर भी लिख सकते हो तुम. Now you just need to reverse. If you do push back, then it will form your right half. ठीक है. C is equal to 1. We dot push back. Right half is already created. Now you just need to reverse and repeat. Hmm. Just note whatever it was. V dot push back I, right? And this I belongs to TP, not me. Now it should be fine. Okay, so in this way we can do this after creating. अगर लाइक स्मॉलर नहीं था तो हमने क्या करा, इंक्रीमेंट करा एक नंबर से अपने लेफ्ट पार्ट को. सिमिलरली उसी को मेरे को राइट में जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट करना है. ठीक है, मतलब कॉपी पेस्ट या मतलब रिवर्स करके राइट पे लिखना है. दो चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है. अगर n मॉड्यूलर 2 हो और c इक्वल टू 1 हो तो पॉप बैक करना पड़ेगा. c इक्वल टू 1 का मतलब 1 के बाद 4 जीरोस आ रहे, तो हमेशा ऐसे नहीं होता. लाइक जैसे 9 होता है तो 9 के लिए मैं 1 0 तो कर रहा हूँ, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि 1 0 0 1. ठीक है, ऐसे करना पड़ेगा. और 99 है उसके लिए भी तुम 1 0 0 डालोगे एक तरफ, और दूसरी तरफ 0 0 1 कुछ नहीं लिखोगे तुम, बस लाइक 1 0 0 1 आंसर. इसके लिए 1 0 1 आंसर होना चाहिए 99 के लिए, है ना. तो यू विल से समथिंग लाइक हाँ 1 0 0, एंड देन उसमें से तुम एक पॉप बैक करोगे, एंड या उसके बाद तुम लिखोगे 1. ठीक है. ठीक है. चलो, ओके गाइस, बाय.